Hello, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be my fourth video that I'm gonna be making with my microphone on, or my fifth, because the other three I didn't upload yet, and I'm still confused. And I'm still not gonna upload them because I'm too lazy to. Plus, they're bad anyways, I'm about to get 100 million honey for the first time ever in my life. So, after we get max pollen, 2 million, we'll finally get 100 million pollen. It's gonna be a lifetime goal with me. Problem is, I'm gonna need to get 50 million more to get the Polisand Dipper, whatever it is. This video might be short, it might be long. No idea. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. I want that. Let's go. Alright. Now we're making more honey than ever. As you can see, I'm way ahead of the game now. I have all of this stuff. If you're wondering why I keep changing my avatar, deal with it. Because, yeah. I don't care about the surprise balloons. I need my laser stickers. Stop stabbing me in the balls. I don't like it. Like, it's so annoying. Stop stabbing me in the balls. Try to stab me in the balls again. Stop. Avoid the bright red glowing circles, and then I'll be fine. Look at that. And a lot of honey. Anyways, we have to go over here now. I'm a blue honey, by the way, if you're wondering. Man, I want to see my stats. Yeah, it's usually my usual blue pollen is 400 stats. I don't know why. It's just that. Anyways, you guys ready? We're about to go to my hive, and then also I got Tabby Bee and Bear Bee, 2 event bees. I have a lot of stickers on here, cause yeah, I don't know. Anyways, there we go, 100 million honey. Now just 50 million more to go. I think this is gonna be the end of the video. If I randomly end the video, it's probably because someone's calling me, or I could just gotta go. But if you want to meet me in person, in game, then yeah, just search it. Name, and then you'll find me. It's this. If you need to pause it, then do it. As you can see, my worker is very paid. It's paid two honey per month. No, per year. He's basically getting paid. He's getting paid. Also, I have a lot of stuff now. As you can see. We're doing a quest that requires pineapple field. Even though that's gonna be super hard because I'm not a white hive, and this is mostly white. Let's see what we got up. Yeah, let's go. go to Stumfield real quick. Boom. Alright, touchdown. Let's see if I complete any badges. Okay, I'm about to complete the Pine Tree badge. Like more than halfway there. I'm still stuck. Should I get an egg? I haven't been getting eggs in a while. That's why I only need 10 million. Look at that. I'm not trying to buy more storage. I'm trying to get tickets. It's 67. I bought Tabby Bee like 2 days ago, 3 days, 2 days ago. I don't know. So that means we're getting 67 tickets per 3 days or 2 days. That's pretty good. Let's see if my King Beetle is alive. Yes, it is. It's alive. Also, I was like really scared of touching the lava, so I just never used my parachute. But I realized like a couple of days ago that you can just touch it. It doesn't hurt you. Rage. I love Rage Beat, especially when fighting. What did we get? The 1 and pass, 5 tickets, 15 gumdrops, 3 plus royal jellies, 10 moondrops, a million honey, and some red extracts. Just in one red extract and 1 blue extract. That's pretty good. Oh, I got a King Beetle amulet. I don't think that's worth it though. I mean, it's my first amulet, so I have to accept whatever. Because it's gonna boost. It's gonna boost my stuff generally. Like, for example, the convert rate. So yeah, I have to accept anything because that was my first amulet. Oh, look at this. 75 plus capacity. 75,000 plus capacity. I think I said it right. I don't know why I would buy this. Just 300 gumdrops. I mean, yeah, it's worth it if you're rich and stuff. What is that? Oh, that's a gifted carpenter bee. I keep stuttering because I don't know what to say really. It's just Bee Swarm. That's it. All I can talk about is vicious bee stinging me in the balls. Anyways, if you want a golden egg, by the way, there is a golden egg in there. Oh, Tabby Love. Let's go. Tabby Love. I think Tabby Love increases every time you go to a new field. So I keep getting Tabby Love under 3 minutes or something. My main field that I go to is Pine Tree Field because it has a lot of blue. And yeah, I already told you I'm a blue hive. And this gives a lot of stuff. Let's just camp here. And let's see what we a lot of gumdrops. Just 2 gumdrops. And oh man, my sticker boost is gone. Well, whatever. It's fine. Also, tips: do not use your diamond eggs. especially when you're mid game, because someday you're gonna get the diamond mask and plus 5 diamond eggs. There's 3 diamond eggs at the 30 thing. I spent a diamond egg, like 1, and that's the only one I'm getting. It's so hard to get diamond eggs. So if you see a diamond egg, not spend it unless you're feeling really lucky and you get a mythic. Probably spend it because it's probably gonna be like overpowered bee, like spicy bee if you're a red hive. I'm gonna be a red hive at the end game, so like yeah. It's gummy sprout. Oh wow, just look at that. More festive. Anyways, like, I don't know how you get different colored hives. Like, I know you have to spend some eggs, but I don't know how people get it, like, seriously. Is that even good? Like, it does. What does it even do? I need my golden rake. I need a golden rake badge. The problem is, I traded it for some stuff. A lot of stuff. Oh my god. Why are they saying like 50 festive gifts? Okay. Hold on, wait. I gotta... Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video because I'm not gonna eat. So, bye. See you in the next video.